on, kids, play!
Hi, friends! We're at the farm puzzle board today. I have wooden animals, and we'll put each one in the right place. When I show an animal, you shout the name with me, we'll spell it. Tell us the first letter, and make a sound. Ready? Let's go! Look at this one. What is it?
I am Goat, and my name starts with letter G.
Yes, goat.
I'm a goat.
Should I put the goat here or here? What about here? Oh, you're right. There. That's the correct place. Great job. What is the name of this animal?
I am a cow, and my name starts with letter C.
Yes, this is a cow. Let's spell the word cow, C-O and W. Should I put the cow here? Maybe here. What do you think, friends? Not here for sure. Yes, there it is. The perfect spot. Move, Ellis! What is the name of this animal?
I am a pig, and my name starts with letter P.
Yes, this is a pig. See the curly tail and round pink nose, so adorable. Shoot, I put the pig here. Maybe here. What do you think, friends? Not here for sure. Maybe here. What do you think, friends? Not here for sure. Yes, there it is. The perfect spot. Oink-tastic.
Oink!
What is the name of this animal?
I am a dog, and my name starts with letter D.
Yes, this is a dog. Look at the waggy tail and shiny collar. So friendly. Should I put the dog here? Maybe here? What do you think, friends? Not here for sure. Yes, there it is. The perfect spot. Woof! Woof! Well done! What is the name of this animal?
I am a sheep, and my name starts with letter S.
Yes, this is a sheep. So fluffy and soft, listen for a gentle ba. Should I put the sheep here? Maybe here, Herb? What do you think, friends? Not here for sure. Yes, there it is. The perfect spot. Ba. What is the name of this animal?
I am a cat, and my name starts with letter C.
Yes, this is a cat. Look at the whiskers and bright eyes, perfectly cute. Should I put the cat here? maybe here. What do you think, friends? Yes, there it is. A perfect spot. Perfect. What is the name of this animal?
I am a duck, and my name starts with letter D.
Yes, this is a duck. See the orange beak and webbed feet ready to paddle. Should I put the duck here? Maybe here. What do you think, friends? Yes, there it is. The perfect spot. Quack hooray! What is the name of this animal?
I am a hen, and my name starts with letter H.
Yes, this is a hen. Look at the red comb on top. Hello, hen. Should I put the hen here? Yes, there it is. The perfect spot. Clucktastic. Look at our farm puzzle tray. Wow, all the animals are in their places. Let's say their names together one more time. Goat, cow, pig, dog, sheep, cat, duck, hen. Can you point to the goat? Now the cow. Great! What sound does the pig make? Oink, oink. How about the dog? Woof, woof. And the duck. Quack, quack. Let's whisper their first letters. G for goat. C for cow. P for pig. D for dog. S for sheep. C for cat. D for duck. D for duck. H for hen. You did amazing today. Naming, spelling, and finding every animal's spot. Give yourself a big clap. Next time, we'll learn even more friends from the farm. Bye-bye, farm buddies. See you soon.
Moo.
Oink! Woof!
I am a dog. I bark woof woof. Dog starts with D. I am a cow. I moo. Cow starts with C. I am a sheep. I ba ba. Sheep starts with S.
Like the video and subscribe to Kids Song Play.